In this video, I'm going to show you how to create dynamic offers on your blog posts with Webflow CMS. This is a really great tip for your marketing website because as a company, you're probably publishing and sharing articles, and you have articles for different subsets of your clients. So maybe you have a product that has developers using it. You might have a product that has marketers using it, and you might even have a product that has salespeople using it. And this is all well and good. And we have down here a really nice sticky CTA with a free checklist that you can download while you read this article. The only problem is that you have these three different audiences that would probably want a different checklist. Marketers probably want a checklist about marketing, developers probably want a checklist about development, and so on. So how can we create an ideal offer for each of these clients and then display it dynamically on the page? And I'm going to show you how to do that today. So we're going to come over here to Webflow, and you can see we have our sticky sidebar over here. Now, what we're going to do is we're actually just going to Control-C and then duplicate this twice so that we have down here, let me just change to a shorter article. We can see that we have our first checklist, we have our second checklist, and our third checklist. And we're just going to name these checklists after our three different offers. So our free marketing checklist, we have a free developers checklist, and we have a free salesperson, or sales checklist, let's call it. So now we have our three different offers, and we would of course go in and customize this content, but for the purposes of this video, we're just going to keep it like this. Now, going into our CMS here, we've got our blog posts, and we want to go and create, well, actually I've already created it here. There are three different switches. We have our marketing offer switch, our development offer switch, and our sales offer switch. Once you click this switch on a blog post, it's going to toggle that offer on. We're going to do that right now. So this is a great article for marketers. Well, that makes sense that we would put our marketing offer there, our marketing checklist. We'll save that. I'm going to go to our article for developers next. Developers come down, would want our development checklist. That just makes sense. And finally, for salespeople, we have our sales offer. Now, once that's all set up, we have one last thing to do. We have to go and set conditional visibility on each of these sticky sidebars. So we go to the sticky sidebar for our marketing checklist. We're going to go to conditional visibility down here and go, this element is visible when our marketing offer switch is turned on. You can see it disappears because this is actually not a page with the marketing offer. We go to the sticky sidebar for developers next. Again, putting it in conditional visibility, our development offer is on, save. And then finally, our sales checklist here, we come to conditional visibility, come down to our sales offer switches on, and we save that. Now, this article doesn't have one set yet, so let's go to this one. We have a great article for developers with a great offer for developers. This is what we want. And if we publish this, we can check that on each of these articles up here, we're going to have a great article for developers, and then we have with it a free developers checklist. Amazing. We've got a great article for marketers. And look at that, we have a free marketing checklist. And then finally, we have an article for salespeople, and we have a free sales checklist. And so that's how you can dynamically toggle these offers in Webflow CMS. This is really useful because if you're creating content and offers for different clients, you want to make sure that it's actually tailored for something relevant, because it's quite likely a marketer wouldn't download the same checklist as a developer. So by using this system, you can actually increase the conversion of your blog posts, so you get more signups and you get more people into your funnel, into your marketing funnel. So hopefully that was useful. Drop a like or a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.